Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make chocolate cake in a microwave. For this, in a bowl, add 1 cup of caster sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, also we will add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and lastly 1 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix all the dry ingredients really well. Make sure the dry ingredients are mixed well before adding in the wet ingredients. I'm now adding in the wet ingredients, starting with 2 eggs, half cup of milk, and 1 cup of plain unsalted butter. Mix it really well until it forms a nice and smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps. My batter now looks really smooth, so I'm going to take a microwavable bowl and grease it with unsalted butter. Here is my greased bowl. I'm going to fill it with my batter. Make sure you take a bowl big enough so the batter is only halfway filled. We want enough space for the cake to rise. I'm now going to place my mixture in the microwave. I'll set the timer to 5.5 minutes, but I'm going to take it out only after 5 minutes. You have to keep an eye on the cake to make sure you don't burn it. Next, in a separate bowl, I've taken 1 cup of chocolate chip cookies and half cup of cream, heated it for a minute in the microwave and giving it a good mix, just so that the chocolate and the cream is well mixed together. If you find it difficult, heat it for a minute in the microwave again and try mixing it. This is to prepare chocolate ganache. You have to keep mixing it till it looks nice and chocolatey brown color. Here is what my cake looks like. I've upturned it on a plate and sliced the upper layers just so that it looks a bit more even. I'm now spreading the prepared ganache over it. I will make sure to spread it as evenly as I can with the help of a spoon. Once the entire cake is coated with the ganache, I'll keep it in the refrigerator to set for at least an hour. This is what the final cake looks like. If you liked watching this, then please subscribe to my channel.